putting you on notice that you are on the verge of this court creating a curative instruction about your frivolous arguments. I will not have you claim legitimacy for what are debunked, frivolous, sovereign arguments. That is why your questions...
One of the most frustrating things about watching this as a lawyer is not only the blatant disregard for how the court system works and the judge and the victims, but also the legal arguments this guy is trying to make. Since the beginning of this trial and even pre-trial, the defendant has tried to make sovereign citizen arguments, arguing that he's not subject to the laws, he's not subject to the state's subject matter jurisdiction, and there's no victim because the state can't be a victim. Those are legally illegitimate defenses, and the judge ruled before the trial even started that he was not allowed to make those arguments. So that's why we're seeing her shut him down every time, is because she's already ruled he can't talk about that. If you follow me, you've probably seen funny videos of people trying to argue their way out of a speeding ticket, saying they weren't driving, they were traveling. They use that language a lot. They don't like to identify vehicles. They say traveling. Self-proclaimed sovereign citizens typically oppose things like taxation. They oppose general government as a whole. They think it's not legitimate, and they'll make arguments like that. This judge has the patience of a saint for dealing with him and following everything by the book, but she has to. That way there's no way that he could appeal the judgment or do anything once this is done, so that hopefully the families will get justice and they finally get to be done with all of this.